Hello everybody. In today's video I'm going to be doing my skincare for night. I know that if I don't actually sit down and film this right now, I probably won't. My hair is wet. I just got out of the shower, so I wanted to go ahead and do a skincare or a nighttime skincare routine with you because I haven't done one in a really long time, and just kind of share my favorite skincare products that I'm currently using. So I need a new makeup remover. These wipes are fine. I got these from Target. Let me see. These are the they say they're hypoallergenic, paraben-free, 30 unscented facial cleansing wipes. So I think they were like 90 something cents at Target. Like, they work, but they're not my favorite. Plus I have waterproof mascara that I like to use, and the problem with that is I struggle with getting it off when I'm using these makeup wipes. So if anybody has any suggestions of what makeup remover I should use, whether it's like a liquid or actual wipes, leave a comment down below and let me know which ones I should use. Now that I have that done, I'm gonna put some lotion on. I got this lotion from the Dollar Tree. I definitely would not recommend, but I also am like, it's lotion, I need to use it. It doesn't work as great as I would like, but like, it was $1.25, so what do I expect? So I have a hard time if my skin isn't, like, if I don't have lotion on my hands and my hands feel dry, I have a really hard time doing anything. Like, it's so hard for me to focus. Does anybody else have that, or is that just me? All right, next I'm gonna be using my Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. I've had this forever. I do like this stuff. It's very cooling on your face. If I'm puffy, I'll usually use this. It also just cleanses the face really nicely. And then I just use a little cotton pad, pour some on there. Oh gosh, I overdid it. And then I'll just go across my skin. This helps cleanse the pores, which is really, really nice because I've been breaking out so bad lately. Like, so bad. My problem spots are up here and right here. So I've been breaking up pretty bad with that. I've been slacking so bad on my skincare though. It's been like bad. That's probably why I'm breaking out. So if I use hairspray, I know I break out up here. My chin, I don't know what's going on with that. I think that might just be hormonal. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm gonna use my vitamin C. This is my little vitamin C droplets. You can see it if I focus. This is what I use. I wanna get the ordinary vitamin C drops, but this is another one that I got from Dollar Tree. Literally all of this stuff is so affordable, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna add some to my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, and my nose, and then the rest I'll put back up here on my forehead. I do probably about a half of a drop, or half of the dropper of this, just because my skin usually just sucks it all in, and then I'll wait for a minute until it's all dry. Once it's dry, then I have a cream I'll put on, or I did have these collagen capsules that I really liked to use, but they were left in my car by someone. It was me. I was the one who left them in my car. So they all melted together, so now I can't really use them. I'll show you them though. I want to go get more. I got them from TJ Maxx, I want to say. So they were like, let's see, it actually says on the bottle $5.99, and it came with 90 of them. And you just use them once a day, and you just, like I just did with the vitamin C, you put it on your face and then you let it soak in overnight. They worked so well with my under eye area and with just my acne in general. They didn't make me break out or anything. It is, I don't know if you'll be able to see it because it's kind of a see-through bottle, but these are the ones that I'm currently, or I was using. So I need to go see if I can find more. If I can find any of this on Amazon, I will link it all down below in the description. So since I can't use the collagen capsules, I have been using this Equate Beauty Collagen Moisturizer Day and Night Cream. So it's Walmart brand. Once again, super inexpensive. But I really like this stuff. Kind of looks like that, where it's just like a white cream. Kind of looks like a hand cream, but it's not. I'm gonna go ahead, put it all over my face. Main spots I'll put this is on my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, and my nose. That's usually where I put all of my skincare products. I'm just gonna massage this in since the vitamin C, like my skin literally sucked that up so fast. This too, this will go too. Some nights I have to do 2 layers of it just because my skin still feels dry. Certain areas like my chin will usually stay pretty moisturized, but my forehead and my cheeks, especially my forehead, gets like really, really dry. I'll also take this and go over my eyelids and under my brow, and then under my eyelids as well. Under my eyelids, under my eyes. Once again, I need more lotion because my hands are dry again. And just like that. That's why I don't like this lotion, because it's not like, I'm more of a Vaseline lotion type person. Alright guys, that is everything for this video. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you want me to do more of these type of videos where I recommend products or I just kind of show you my normal routine. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you next time.